Hi, my name's Brooke and today we are going to be making a chess set. What you need for this chess set is a wooden box, some little wooden blocks and some beads. You'll also need some spray paint, a ruler, pencil and some paint pens. The first thing that we're going to do is measure the top of our box, and we need to have 8 squares across here and 8 across here. I've measured out some of these lines already. I'm just going to do a few more to demonstrate. There we go. Now that's all of the lines drawn for my chessboard. Now to finish the chessboard, you can hand paint or you could do some masking tape, or I'd recommend using a paint pen so you can get a nice sharp finish on the squares. I've gone ahead and finished painting the top of mine, and I did it with black and also some golds. You could leave it raw on one of it, or you could do a totally different color, whatever your dad likes best. The next part of this craft obviously is the pieces for our chess set. We're going to use just the blocks by themselves as pawns for it. So there's 8 and 8, so 16 little blocks as the pawns. You can design how you would like to stack the beads and the blocks to create the other pieces. I'm going to just use a little bit of super glue. This is a great super glue. It is a quick fixing super glue that's actually a gel first. So it stays like a gel, it's not super runny, so it's a lot easier to contain it. I've gone ahead and made all of my pieces. So I've constructed them all and given them a little bit of a base coat in the black and the white. Once you've done a base coat on all of the pieces, you can now do a design over them. Now you might want to get your little ones to paint each one differently and do a color scheme for each. What I'm going to do today is I've got my black and my white chess set and my black and my gold board. So I'm going to use some gold spray paint today to just do a little bit of a fleck of gold on both sets. As you can see, the colors are still mostly black and white, but they have a little fleck of gold. I'm going to do the same thing on the top of my chessboard. And here is your DIY chess set. I hope that you love playing chess this weekend with your dad.